everybody, Matt here. Just want to introduce the video here. I'm going to be going to get something, and here in just a minute you will see what it is. But before I get started, just wanted to give you a little quick look around South Texas. Not much to see, but you know, hey, there it is. Yeah, not much going on. Just on my way. Anyway, we'll see you in just a minute. Let's take a look at what I'm going to be getting. Alright, we're here at my destination, and to give you a clue what we're doing here. Alright, let's go see what we got over here. Who's that?
Big Worm, yo. How you doing, folks? This is Big Worm from Brownsville, Texas. If you want the best tattoos, come with me, and you will have them. You want to see a real pistol?
Well, they've seen this one before.
It's a nice-ass pistol. I'm going to put it in his arm. So he's going to enjoy that pain.
Very much. Alright. Alright, we're going to go over the tattoo studio here, show you what we got. He's still working on the tattoo. Got all our seats. And that's a motherfucker got a big screen TV with a Wii, an Xbox 360, and a PlayStation in his fucking tattoo studio.
For the customers.
That's customer service, man. We're gonna be hooking this guy up with a YouTube channel of his own so you can check out all his stuff. What's your name?
Big Worm.
Big Worm, that's Jesse. Big Worm Studios. There it is.
A little bit of pain.
It's a good pain.
He's enjoying that.
Hey man, as long as you don't get by the wrist again, I'm fine. That shit hurts.
Holy shit, I messed up. You'll shoot me with that pistol?
Now see, after the outline, that shading, man, don't feel like shit.
That's better.
It feels good.
Not easy getting a tattoo, kids. It's not easy. But there's pleasure in it.
fucking sweet. That is nice, bro. Tattoo here. That's the one I just got, the gun. And then this is the other one Jesse did. With the skull here. And then I got this one. He did this one. That's my daughter's name. And I got my son's name.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
And then this is my oldest daughter. Man, this is the last one he did.
Woo! That looks sweet. Yeah, that looks good.
All right then, I'm all done. I'm on my way back to the house. Appreciate everybody watching. Like I said before, that's my boy Jesse. He's gonna be getting his own YouTube channel here pretty soon. I'm gonna be putting some tattoo videos and stuff up. So whenever he gets his channel up and running, I'll put a link to it on my page. Anyway, appreciate everybody watching. Take it easy, and I'll have some more videos up soon. Thanks.